To view or download student responses, you just need to tap on this response tab here, just next to the question tab. After tapping here, you can see the responses of your student. Okay, if you want individual responses, this is summary type of responses. You can check question wise response, or you can check individual student wise responses, okay, by tapping here. Or you can create a spreadsheet by tapping here, and Google spreadsheet will be generated, and you can analyze data there, or you can download this Google spreadsheet. And there is another option, you can tap on this 3 vertical dots to download responses in CSV format, okay, and you can open this CSV file in Microsoft Excel file. Okay, we will discuss all these options. Okay, first I will tap on this to create spreadsheet. After tapping here, you can see there are two options. First is to create a new spreadsheet, or you can select existing spreadsheet. For this, I will tap on this create new spreadsheet option, and I will tap on create. And you can see these are the responses. This is the timestamp, means on which time student gave the response, and this is the score of student. This is the highest score, 8 marks. Okay, you can move here. You can see Ganesh has scored 8 marks, Ram is 0, then Sita and Gita 2 marks. Okay, you can see their roll numbers here. You can analyze individual questions here. Okay, so this spreadsheet will be generated by tapping there, and I will tap here to go back. There is another method. You can tap here 3 vertical dot to download responses in CSV format. I will show this. Tap on 3 vertical dot, and you can see this option, download responses .csv. By this method you can download CSV file. Okay, I will tap here, and you will ask such type of questions, need storage access or allow storage access. Just tap on continue or allow. Tap on allow, and you can see it will ask me file name. It will be saved as a zip file, and then by unzipping you will get CSV file. I have opened this file. You can see this is quiz CSV file is open here, and you will tap to unzip this file. Tap on this unzip button. I will tap here. You can see our file has been unzipped. Tap on this. By default it is showing it is Excel file, but you can see the format is CSV. Okay, by tapping here you can open this file. I will choose this Excel to open with. And you can see these are the responses given by the student. This is Ram, Ganesh. Okay, these are the roll numbers of Ram and Ganesh. Okay, and these are the responses of individual students. Okay, and you can see Ganesh has scored 8 marks out of 10. Okay, so these are the two methods by which you can view or download responses and can analyze responses given by the student. Okay.